Hello everyone. So today we will be solving maximum units on a truck, which is day 14 of Leetcode June challenge, and the question goes like this. You are assigned to put some amount of boxes onto one truck. You are given 2D array box types where box types of I is the number of boxes of I and number of units per boxes I. So number of boxes I is the number of box of type I, and number of units per block I is the number of units in each box of type I. You are also given an integer truck size, which is the maximum number of boxes that can be put into the truck. You can choose any boxes to put on the truck as long as the number of boxes does not exceed the truck size. So here is the example, and you can see this is the zeroth box, this is the first, this is the second, and zeroth box have one box which have profit 3. Profit means basically the number of units per box. So we want to return the maximum total number of units that can be put. So this we can consider as a profit. So box type 2, we have two boxes of this type, and each box is having a profit of 2. For box type 3, we are having 3 numbers of this box, and each box is having a profit of 1. And we have a truck size of 4. So at max we can have 4 boxes in our truck. So we optimally need to choose which boxes will give us more profit. So if you can see, the box first, which is having 3 profit per box, is giving us the maximum profit. So what I will do is that I will choose the first one box of first type that contains 3 units. Now since they are exhausted, I will move on to the another and find which box out of these two, which box type out of these two will give me maximum profit. So second box of second type, two box of second type that contains 2 unit each will give me profit of 2, which is greater than profit 1. So I will choose 2 box of this, and after that I will choose so these are 3. Now we can choose one more box, so I will choose one more box from this, which of profit 1, and the total number of units we will get is 8. So total number of profit is 8. So let's see this example also. How we can approach this problem, let's see. So we are given array like this. So here each type of box are given and with the quantity and the profit it gives. So we have truck size of 10. Now we want to choose 10 boxes optimally such that our profit is maximum. So what I do is simply I will first find out the box which is giving me maximum profit. So here out of these 4 boxes, 10 is the profit that is maximum, and it is given by the first type of box. So what I will do is that let's say profit and remaining box or remaining size. So let's make this. So initially my profit was 0 and I could have choose 10 boxes. Now what will happen is that firstly, since I see that 10 is the maximum profit given by the first box, so what I will do is that I will take 5 boxes of profit 10. So it will give me a profit of 50, 5 into 10. So I will take the profit of 50, be happy, and now I will say that now I can choose 5 more boxes. So how to choose 5 more boxes? Again, simply check out of the remaining boxes which type of box gives me maximum profit. So here we can see that the last type box, which is having a profit of 9, gives me maximum profit. So I will take 3 boxes of it. So let's say if I take 3 boxes of 9, my profit will comes out to be 27. And now I can choose only 2 boxes more to fit in the truck. So now we only are left with 2,5 and 4,7. So it is pretty obvious that 4,7, so 7 is maximum profit out of these two. So I will take 2 boxes of 7. Since there are 4, I can only take 2, so I will only take 2. So if I take 2 boxes of 7, the profit will be 17, and now I don't have any remaining size. So I will return my profit, and profit turns out to be 91, which is the sum. 91 is our answer. Now let's try to uh, dig it deep. So what we can do is that firstly we can sort the array on the basis of profit a box gives, and then after that we can continuously select till our size becomes 0. So this is the approach we are going to use for this. So what we can do is that firstly let's sort on the basis of profit. So what we do is that we will use lambda function in the C++. So let's say sort box types we want. So let's do it dot begin comma dot end, and now we want to sort is custom. So let's say this is the custom sorting in C++. So here we define the reference. Let's give it. Now here we want to define the type of argument this structs each element is having, box types each element is having. So it is a vector of vector. So box types element will be a vector. So vector of int, let's pass by reference a, and vector of int ampersand b, and I want to return if a of first is greater than b of first, and that's it. So what we have done here is that we have sorted our array such that this array will become sorted according to its profit size. So 3,9 will come here after 5,10, and this 4,7 comes before 2,5. So this is what the array we will get after sorting. Now what we want to do is that I want to take out elements, or take out the boxes. So let's say int index, int I let's say is 0, and while I is less than box types dot size, till we can choose what we will do. So we can check whether we can take the full of these boxes or not. Now we know they are sorted according to their profit size, so we can directly take one after the other. So now since let's see that there are 10 boxes, so let's see, can I choose all of these boxes? So what I will do is I will take a element count. Count will be having the number of box remaining which I can choose, remaining size. So count will be initially truck.size. So truck size it will be. Now what I will do is that if count minus this box types of I0 is greater than equal to 0. What does that mean is that 10 minus 5. So here 10 minus 5, is it greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0. This means we can take all the boxes from of this type. So what we'll say is that, so for this our profit, so let's define profit also, and profit initially it will be 0. So our profit will be plus equals to, and all the for one box it is boxes of box types I1. So for all the boxes it will be this. So our profit for all the boxes will be 5 into 10 here, 5 into 10. So total boxes and profit of each box. So it is all the boxes and profit of each box. And what we need to do is we need to decrement our count. So count minus equals to will be the boxes which we have taken. So this will be the count minus, and we will increment. So this will we do if we can take all the boxes, and else if we cannot take all the boxes, now we need to check. So here we see that we cannot take all the boxes of 4, which gives us profit 7. So what we will do is that we will take as much so we will take as much we can. So for int j equals to 0 and j less than this box types, and it's I comma 0 and j plus plus. So what I will do is that if any time our count is 0, then I will break, otherwise I will add profit of this to box type I of 1. So now this time we are adding single profit, so we will decrement count as -1, and after this we will say I plus plus. So I think this should work. Let's try to run this out. Yes, let's submit it. So it is accepted. So this is the solution for today's problem. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.